Talha from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Sound.
Sheikh, may Allah accept your good deeds and unite you, your parents, and your future generations in Jannah. Sheikh, I wanted to ask you, so in the West, as you may be aware, there's a rise of the far right. Many idiots have tried to attack our religion in the past and they've failed, and many idiots will continue to try and they'll fail and humiliate themselves. My question is, we put our trust and reliance in Allah, and we know that He'll protect. We put our trust and faith in Him. My question is to you: is there any lectures that you've got related to some of the things we're dealing with now? We've got a lot of hate marches going on, a lot of people attacking our religion specifically, not others, ours. And is there any advice you've got for those that can't migrate just yet, but that are in the West still? Is there anything that you would advise us in these difficult times?
First of all, Talha, I have no idea what is out there from my lectures, whether I spoke about the far right, the extremists. I remember doing a lecture in 2011 or 2010 in London before I was flagged and prevented from entering the country for no reason other than being famous and drawing the youth to listen and learn what Islam is really about. I think it's called Islam Hijack or something like that. And probably I've done many other lectures worldwide about extremism and how it goes both ways. But to tell you the truth, I have no idea about the things I talked about. You have to go to the YouTube or to my website and try to search it, because my memory is unfortunately very short span. And I don't recall unless I open my laptop and try to search and Google what I said and what I did not say.